You know how I usually go on Bear Avenue? This girl just started a whole entire jam down there. And she's going to pick up a tree. I don't e- Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Pretend that never happened. Cut that out, cut that. Emotional tree. Should I go get a pretzel there? I'm hungry for a pretzel. You guys heard me say like I'm hungry for a pretzel. This girl's like, oh, this girl's going to some places with me. Okay. I only just met her. Do you see how slow she's driving? Well, anyways, let's get my tree. Get my chomp. Or axe. Just listen. Did you guys seriously hear that? Oh my god, like, that was so funny. Whoa! Okay, to be honest, that's what I do. Oh my god, I got a big one. I got a big mama. Sorry, lady. Look at you, have a baby. Should I keep on it in its car? I don't know. I should know. We have to wait for traffic lights. Which I just don't kill me, please. Hi, go back to your spot, please. Ah! What the flip is wrong with you? What the flip? Like, I didn't even say hello. Like, go on the right side of the road. I'm British. I'm UK. I'm from the UK. Does that girl know that? I hope she does later. Alright, drag the tree. Oh my god. Drag the tree. Good floor here. I already have a Christmas tree. So, I did not need a Christmas tree, but who loves my wonderful Christmas tree? Rate 1 to 10 in the comments, please. I need someone to like this Christmas tree. I was just going for my favorite color, blue, the theme. Which I don't have gone all blue. So I choose like a little bit greenish, a little bit limeish. And yeah, that was just it. All I was going to do is just get a new tree. I will send you guys another video. Don't worry, it's not like I'm getting lost. Goodbye.